Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 6, today we are going to see the remaining part in civics, the chapter 4, Key Elements of Democratic Government. Today, points that we are going to cover, that is other way of participating, need for resolve conflict, and equality and justice. Other way of participating. People also participate by taking an interest in the working of government. People, they show the interest how the government is working, and they participate in many activities. There are many ways in which people express their view and make government to understand what action they should take. They include dharnas, rallies, strikes, signature campaigns, etc. The dharnas, rallies, we all know. The people, they took the protests, the strikes, by saying the need of them, by which the government can understand what is the problem of the people and how we can take step on it. Things that are unfair and unjust are also brought forward. Not only the need, the things which are unfair and unjust are also brought forward. Newspaper, magazines, and TV also play a vital role in discussing government issues and responsibilities. Right, children? Then see here, this is one of a picture where the people, they are saying the need by showing the placards and by the rally on moving from certain distance. Another way of people participate is by organizing themselves into a social movement that seeks to challenge the government and its functioning. Not only by the rally strikes, the people, the group of people, they form an organization and organizing themselves into a social movement to challenge the government. See, the group of people, we itself can do this. The government, you can take part in it. These are all the changes you want to brought. Like that, the group of people, the organization will function. Members of minority committee, Dalits, Adivasis, women, and other are often able to participate in this manner, where the group of peoples and minority communities, those who didn't get a proper the people who didn't get the proper respect or proper opportunity, like the Dalits, Adivasis, women, they often participate in this manner by protesting or doing strikes or by social activities. If country people are alert and interested in how the government is run, the democratic character of the government will be strong. If the people of the country, they are alert and interested how the government is working, how the government is run, then the democratic character of the government will be strong. Need to resolve conflict. Need to resolve conflict. Sometimes religious processions and celebration can lead to conflicts. Yeah, right. In the same street, the religious processions like doing or celebrations, for an example, we can say Diwali and some other religious procession. If in a same street, if both the religious procession are taking place, definitely there will be a conflict. The route of procession may lead to a conflict. The route, if they move in the same path or in the same way, it will lead to a conflict. The government, particularly the police, plays important role in getting representatives of the concerned communities to meet and try to arrive at a solution, where the police will play a vital role on controlling the conflicts and solving the conflict and to arrive at a solution, to give a solution. Right, children? Not only the religious procession and celebration, river to become a source of conflict between states. Sharing of river water between different states that the river goes through is becoming an issue of conflict. For example, Kaveri water between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Kaveri water, the river Kaveri is running between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The water stored in Krishnaraja Sagar Dam in Karnataka is used for the irrigation for number of districts and for meeting the need for the city in the Bangalore. The water in Krishnaraja Sagar Dam in Karnataka is used by the numbers of districts in Karnataka and the city of Bangalore. The water stored in Mettur Dam in Tamil Nadu is used for the crops in the delta region of the states of Tamil Nadu. So see children, the downstream dam in Tamil Nadu can only be filled if the water is released from the upstream one which is located in the Karnataka. When the upstream, the water is in the upstream, if they release the water, then only the downstream dam or Tamil Nadu will get the water. Therefore, both states do not get much water as they need. Right? This leads to a conflict. The central government has to step in and see the fair distribution is work out for both the states. Then the government should take step on distributing the water equally for both the states to solve their conflict. So see here children, this is a Krishnaraja Sagar Dam in Karnataka and this is a Mettur Dam in Tamil Nadu. Right? Then equality and justice. One of the key ideas of democratic government is equality and justice. The earlier practice of untouchability is now banned by the law. Our constitution makers realized that such practices must not continue. We all know what is constitution, the book which contains rules and regulations, right? The constitution makers, those who make new laws and regulations, they realize that this practice must not be continued. Which practice? That is the untouchability. Justice can only be achieved when people are treated equally. There is a difference between equality and justice. Justice can be achieved only when the people are treated equally. The government recognizes and makes a special provisions for group with a society that are unequal. The government it is providing the group of people or the society, those who are treated unequally, it is providing some special provisions on taking part in activities or for getting a good job. For everything, the government is providing a special provisions. In our society, there is a general tendency to consider boy child is better than a girl child, right? In our society, it is a general tendency. So, the government stepped into to promote justice by providing special provisions that can enable girls to overcome this injustice. The government is providing some special provisions to overcome this injustice by giving educational fees for girls might be waived or lowered in the government school and colleges. Government is providing some discounts or the lowered amount of fee in educational level in the school as well as the college. So see here, this picture explains what is equality and justice. This is equality, providing all the source to all the people equally. It is called equality. What is justice? Based on their need, they have to provide. Some group of people, some society will need a lot of provisions from the government. If equally it is divided, the group of people, those are getting good provisions and they are okay with the government, it is not a justice. Equality doesn't mean justice. Right, children? See here what is equality and what is justice. Based on their need, they have to give the provisions to the people. So this is about this lesson, key elements of democratic government. I hope you all have a clear idea. Thank you and have a great day, children.